Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to host a space on X, formerly Twitter. To do this you have just to go to X, open the app, and after that go and click on your picture on the top left of the screen, and after that go and click on Spaces. And as you can see, there is a blue icon on the bottom right of the screen. You have just to click on it and type on the top of the screen what do you want to talk about. For example, I will type marketing, and you can add topics here, like what are you going to talk about. For example, I will choose technology, and like business, you can type like marketing, click save, and after that choose if you want to record the space. That means that the space will be like recorded, and after that it will be shared, so anyone after that can play the public recording. And if you want to enable the video also in that space, you can click on enable video, and you will have multiple options to schedule your space or to start it now. So by clicking on start now, your space will be opened and you can like start the conversation with people on your space, or you can schedule it and do it another time. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next